It's been a really great experience so far. We've come in to see the national parks. It's really amazing what you're all doing to try and protect the wildlife. It's really amazing what you're doing.
What is the purpose of visit here?
Pardon, sorry?
What is the purpose of visiting national park?
The purpose, just to obviously see what you guys are doing to help the animals and to help support you.
I'm from Nottingham in the UK, so we've been in India for a few days now, and it's amazing, and we're so grateful to be here and to have you welcome us. So yeah, we've not seen Ramona National Park, but we're about to go in today, so that's very exciting.
How many of you are visiting Ramona National Park now?
Well, we know about the great work that you do with WTI to protect the animals and the elephants and the butterflies. So yeah, we're just hoping to see what great work you do and to support you in that. We want to keep it a natural habitat, and we don't want it to just overcrowd with tourism, but I think it's important to see that people see what you do with the park and how you protect the park. Probably people from all over the world, people from India, I assume, but also people from every other country, just who want to see the great nature that you have in this country. Accepted. yeah, it's great. Honestly, you've welcomed us really well today.
I feel privileged to be given the opportunity to be amongst the first foreign tourists to see the park today. I think there's 14 of us.
So it is your first time visiting the Assam, sir?
First time in Assam, yes. It's a nice experience to see the local culture.
So, National Park.
I'm hoping to see some butterflies, personally.